Hey guys, little bonus video here. Want to see what one of these canister purge valve solenoids look like? All right, it's an inlet and an outlet. All right, goes to the canister. One is the vacuum from the engine. Okay, got a little power supply here, and this is how it works. Okay, when the engine supplies power to it, it'll open the valve and it'll allow the fumes that come from the gas tank in and out, go into the engine and burn. Okay, so one part is connected to the engine, which vacuum all the time, sitting there all the time, and they're just waiting for it to get the okay to open up, and then all the fumes go in through here, come out through here, and gets burnt through the engine. All right, took this cover off. I broke it off, and here it is. If you look closely, it looks like a little tiny electrical solenoid in there, and this is a cap with a spring. Okay, and there's another little cap in here. All right, so the premise is basically power goes to the solenoid, energizes it magnetically, and these little things here with the spring, it's normally closed, so it pushes down on the cap, which pushes down on this little pintle, I guess you call it a pintle. Okay, it keeps it closed. When it's ready to go, this thing will create a little electric field, and this pintle would pop up. See? All right, so in the closed position, this port is closed. You can't suck anything out of here at all. But once you apply power to it and you open this up, this opens up, this pulls the little pintle up, and now it allows the gas fumes to flow from here to there and burn. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, even though it's free, something could have burnt out, something could have got dirt on it, who knows? But that's what the code was, and we changed it. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.